Hello everybody, welcome to Academia ClickUp. My name is Gabriel Hoffman, engineer and ClickUp consultant. Today I'm going to show you how to copy multiple tasks at the same time inside ClickUp. So guys, what we have here, we have a low budget backlog, right? So we have 20 tasks inside this list over here. What we have to do to achieve that goal, to copy every task that I want to copy to sprint backlog in another list. So how are we going to do this? First of all, we're going to select all tasks. All these first ones are going to be selected, so I simply get a sort over here, take this one off. Okay, first of all, from first, then hold shift to 18. Now we have 7 tasks who must be copied from this backlog for the sprint backlog, the green list over here. How are we going to do this? We must use automations to do it. So we're going to take automations buttons over here. I'm going to do add automation, custom automation over here. So we have to set a trigger, then a copy. How? First of all, for me, I'm going to just change status complete, okay? From any, not any, I'm going to do this from backlog to pending, but have to actually set a condition. This is not a must, but I like to do it because not copy the wrong stuff. So I'm going over here, go to sprint, equal to first of all. So we have this when this happens, when status change from backlog to pending, and sprint is equal to first one, is the first sprint that we're going to do. Just sprint 1 and 2 for make it easier, okay? So I'm going to change the status, not going to change the status. I'm going to copy the task. I'm going to select the list name, not backlog. I'm going to go to here to YouTube task folder over here, and sprint backlog. So I have an automation to do this. I'm going to create it, saving good, make sure it's working. Okay, it's active right now. I'm going to close this. So I have to make the trigger work. So how are we going to do this? We already have a selection of tasks, the 7 ones, in the multitask toolbar over here. So we're going to set status to pending. And when pending arrive, they're going to trigger the entire automation. Then all those 7 tasks are going to be copied to sprint backlog. That's how we copy multiple tasks at the same time. So we have a backlog over here. All my product backlog is going to be in this list. I have a backlog in this place, so I have a sprint over here, and a sprint backlog precisely so that people can work inside it without changing stuff. In the main backlog, this is the first one. So I have to copy everything for the new list that is sprint backlog. That's how I do it for my Scrum teams, and also a way that I found to make a workaround inside ClickUp do not have this feature yet. So guys, that's it for today. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp hacks. My name is Gabriel Hoffman, and welcome to Academia ClickUp.